welcome to my channel. Today I'm making lemon pepper wings and I'm gonna just get straight into it. The first thing we're gonna do, as always, is wash our chicken with a cap full of vinegar and a half a lemon. Next, we're gonna brine our chicken with half a cup of salt and half a cup of sugar. When I leave the skin on my chicken, I like to brine it so the meat part itself is juicy and flavorful. Now we're going to start seasoning, and first I'm putting in a teaspoon of meat tenderizer because we already brined our chicken. I just throw in a little extra anyway. Next I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons of Blue Mountain Country chicken seasoning, 3 teaspoons of garlic and onion powder each, then put less than a teaspoon each of pimento, cayenne pepper, and ginger. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of Lipton Savory herb soup mix, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, then finally we're going to add 8 sprigs of thyme, 8 pieces of garlic, and 1 scallion in the mix. Once you're done mixing, let it sit for 3 hours, but I had time, so I let it sit for 6 in the fridge. Now we're going to start our flour mix, and I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of flour. Essentially, we're going to put the same ingredients that we used to season the meat, so I'm just going to caption what I put in the measurements. So now we're gonna crack 3 eggs and just stir them. Then we're gonna dip our wings in the eggs and then the flour. Once we pour the oil in and it's hot, we're gonna put in our wings for 6 to 7 minutes on each side and then repeat. Then we're gonna pop them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I use the oven because my stove is old and it's hard to maintain the heat for deep frying. But if you're gonna deep fry it, do it for 10 minutes. So here is our final product, and you could always add more lemon pepper if you want. I made some fried rice to go with them and it came out really good. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.